Hey YouTube, we're out here. I'm out here today by myself, out fishing. That's why I haven't really been able to get any footage. Not that you guys know or anything, but still, haven't got a fish yet. Still pretty early on in the year. I caught one earlier this week, Saturday, Sunday or something. I caught a fish. Fish in this little cove in here. My grandpa lived right up there. Had some bites, saw some fish. It's starting to warm up, but yeah, I'll get back to you with a fish. Fishing this jig right here. I'm also fishing a crankbait. Still really early, like I said, so you gotta fish really, really slow. I mean, it's almost, it's not even pre-spawn yet. It's early. The exercise been off for a good week, 2-3 weeks possibly. The fish are just starting to move up. But other than that, no, nothing. It's so early. Sorry guys. Okay guys, I'm gonna switch baits here real quick. Crankbait rod, I'm throwing a straight king, 1.5, getting a good kind of fish shot. This fish is super slow. Oh, guys, got a good one here. Great big old smallmouth. Great big old smallmouth here. Came up and smoked it. If I can get him here. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, YouTube, look at that fish. Oh, my God, that's a great smallmouth. Holy crap. That thing just wailed on it. Oh my God, that's a big old smallmouth. First smallie of the year, baby. That is great. Oh. That's great. He smoked it, and it's so cool. I thought... It's a great fish right there, guys. We'll put him right there for a second. Turn off.